4 weeks ago, the 7th graders went on an educational experience where they got the opportunity to stay overnight at the middle school for girls.
I like it. It's fun.
We talked to Miss Hattner, one of the organizers of the trip, to find out more.
The intent of the Astronomy Overnight is to expose students to astronomy content, which we don't include in our regular curriculum. So this is a nice way to make space for it, a topic that many students are interested in. Also to use cross-campus resources like the CIS. And it's between the boys' school and the girls' school, so it's a nice way to incorporate both of the middle schools together.
There were many opportunities for learning and teamwork building throughout the entire event, such as the astronaut training activities.
That's a series of games, if you will, little mini competitions where the students were wearing like 2 layers of gloves, and they had to assemble a robot. The people wearing the gloves, the builders, had to go, they could not go see the robot, and then so it was a communication game. The other people in the team would go see the robot and bring back a piece of information, and the builders would have to try to assemble it. Another one was rotating around in an office chair and shooting tennis balls at a basketball net. That was a fun one. And then the second person that did it wore like a blindfold, so they were shooting blindly, so that was interesting.
Another event that took place was the Halo Project. This was received as one of the most popular events in the entire overnight.
HALO stands for Habitat and Logistics Outpost, like a habitat that would be on the moon, on the way to Mars eventually. We wouldn't be able to go straight there, kind of a way station. So students were given thin sheets of plastic and duct tape, and that's all they were allowed to use to build a structure. And then they had to decorate inside that structure and like have living quarters or a lab space, working quarters. They were encouraged to bring an item from home to decorate, like astronauts do. They bring something from home to remind them.
After that, the students went to the Cranbrook Institute of Science to see the stars through the observatory there.
Jan works in the observatory, and he's amazing. And each group was able to look, each student was able to look through the telescope. It was focused on Jupiter that night and see its rings and a few of its moons.
Kenneth Thompson, what did you like about the museum?
I like the stars there, but I got to look at I got to look at Jupiter. It was really Sigma, but it was kind of unfocused, but it's okay.
After a good night of sleep, the parents came to pick up their children and check out their halos. The halos stayed up for 2 more days and were judged. A winner was chosen, and the winning group was given a space-themed patch. Overall, this trip was received relatively well, with some mixed opinions throughout the student body.